let me just tell you that there are two little Roman coins from just before and just after 700. And these coins are the first coins we know of with the face of Jesus on the coin. And around the Roman coin, it says, King of Kings and Lord of Lords. A friend of mine just purchased an actual, I mean, they're rare, but purchased an actual coin. And these two faces on two coins, are copied off the Shroud face. How do you know that? Because if you have two pictures of somebody, let's say we've got your high school photo and somebody who looks like you just robbed a 7-Eleven. So they take a photo from inside the store, the nearest photo they have is your high school photo. They have to have X amount of points of similarity to say this is the same person. I've been told they need about 40 connection points. Between the face on the Shroud and the faces on these two coins, there's between 70 and 200 connection points. There are paintings in Ravenna, Italy, and in St. Catherine's Monastery on the Sinai Peninsula that look the same way, look very much like they're copied off the Shroud face. So it looks like somebody from history thinks they're painting the face of Jesus. Now, in 1978, my co-author in a couple Shroud books, most of the photos you're going to see are from the 1978 scientific investigation. Circle, obviously, is put here around the right eye of the man in the Shroud. Through image enhancement, a number of the scientists believe they can read what's under these eyes. Now, let me first show you a lepton, a coin from the 1st century. You see that staff in the middle and some Greek lettering around the edge. On your left is another lepton, and it's a little bit off the slide, but down there in the corner is a little guide what you can look for. But look up on your right hand. That's the right hand side is the man in the Shroud's eye. And look around the edge. See up at the top, U-C-A-I. You see those letters? U-C-A-I. And there's some other little squiggly marks on both sides. They are now up to 7 letters. These are, you can see 4 right there. But U-C-A-I. You know what that is? That is part of the spelling of Tiberius Caesar's name. Tiberius Caesar, the man under the cloth in the Shroud, has 2 coins, which you'll be able to see later. 2 coins placed over his eyes, apparently. And this is the lettering from one of the coins. And that is the name Tiberius Caesar. And you know what you're looking at? What kind of coin this is? This is a lepton of Pontius Pilate. There's the U, C-A-I. This is a lepton of Pontius Pilate minted between 29 and 32 A.D. Now, how would somebody in the Middle Ages, if they faked the cloth, how would they know a coin of Pontius Pilate if they saw it? How would you know it? And this is a lepton with Tiberius Caesar's name, but watch, this letter right here, it's misspelled. That should be a K instead of a C. Tiberius Caesar's name's misspelled. Do you know that they found 7 other leptons of Pontius Pilate now with the same misspelling, with U-C-A-I? All right? I'm not here to solve mysteries. I'm just telling you some of the mysteries.